Hello guys, how to download and install new Microsoft Office fonts in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To download or install a new fonts in your Microsoft Word, at first go to Windows settings. Here from the left pane, go to personalization section. Thereafter go to right side and choose fonts. Here you will find the option get more fonts in Microsoft Store. Click on it. Click on arrow mark and this will bring you to Microsoft Store page. A lot of fonts is available free. You can choose any one of them which you want to download and install. A lot of various type of fonts is available in Microsoft Store, Windows Store, in Windows 11 and Windows 10 also. Choose any one of them as per your choice. Click on it and press get button to install it.